Perfect. Congratulations, coach, for
Thank you
a
very
victory.
much.
Coach, take us through the game. It was always going to be difficult, but before the game, you said your players needed to be calm and they needed to try to show personality. Did you see that from your boys?
Yes, from the first half I saw it. The second half it looked as if they were relaxing, and it was all about overconfidence. So I had to tell them not to do that because they thought with the name, very big name as Kotoko, and they were playing all out, playing them. And they felt so comfortable. So I have to ginger them so that they. So you see, getting to the end, they pull up their distance, and we were able to have a draw, a win today. It's good for us.
Coach Kojo Obin Jr., very calm, very composed. From the point he received the ball, any other player would have tried something else, but he just relaxed and decided to put the ball in there. How
Yes.
important is he to?
That is what we call experience. You know, experience not always counts. When he got the ball, he was not panicking. He saw that the goalkeeper was out of the post, so he had to do the needful, and so he did exactly that because of experience. As you rightly said, if it were to be any young player, he would be panicking and maybe he would kick the ball away. And that is why we always want to get one or two experienced players mixed up with the young ones so that they can deliver. So I think it's good.
Coach, any remark on this Kotoko team? How
No.
good are they?
No, I want to concentrate on my food. Yeah,
Thank you very
somebody's
much,
food
Coach.
is not my concern.
Thank you
What
very
I've
much.
gotten here, my food is what I'm concentrating on. So thank you very much for not commenting on that.
We wish
Thank
you all the best.
Thank
Coach.
you very much, sir.
Okay, so Coach Abashir Hayford denied, and he's not ready to comment on the Kotoko team. The man of the match will be with me shortly. Kojo Obin Jr. What a game he's had. Fantastic game and also a fantastic goal. Kojo, what a goal. Before say Beka go na Sam Krano, performance and then send our own as a team and on a personal level.
The only kind, Madam Marcel, Quenya, whatever. Because a coach, Bashir Hayford, and what's my improvement. The only kind, so my young pass. So, out of Lions, playing for my Madam Dr. Randy Abbey, I would be the man. And Tama, a month for him to train on. Among who say, the Pabu Mon beating me about me. And I'm a fan or Mutu. Which makes improvement in Abanadi. A young company coach.
Ma yɛnhwɛ go no baabi a wogye ball no a player foforɔ bi anka ɔbɛ try bi foforɔ mem pass ma mem mmɔ no some way bi kwan a wosi fa so to bo ase nya calmness confidence de ball no to net no five fam kakra
Because a good idea, idea, who training. The coach, anytime piano, or can be busy, or say we are practicals and answer the cook game. It's we are training grounds. It's win a ball now, how to receive, how to kick, and and you be another shot. It's which I said, a coach now, and watch there, and put my around, my team, the Ayajuma, go now.
yɛda pa
That's
Kojo Obin Jr., the man of the match for Heart of Lions. He was the man who got the only goal for Heart of Lions against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Our head coach, Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum, is joining us soon. Let's see how things go. Coach, commiserations for the defeat.
Yeah, thank you.
Coach, it was an obviously open game. What positives did you take from your team?
Yeah, a lot. If you look at the way we were calm on the ball, it was okay. But then I think we also try to at least play a lot of combination play in front of the opponent area. Try to see if we can get some free kicks or even get that last pass to break the line. So these are some of the few positives I think.
Coach, it's been 2 defeats in a row. For the first time, Kotoko failed to score. What was the reason for that?
Yeah, I think we look slow. We look very slow. We look very tired on the field. I think the stress of the journey. I mean, from Kumasi to Enyinase, about 9 hours. We played on Sunday. Traveled another 10 hours or 9 hours to Accra to play on Wednesday. That was on Monday, and then from Wednesday to, we had to travel all the way from Accra to Kumasi. So, it's been three games in 7 days, and you could see that they were tired. I don't believe in giving. I don't believe in that I don't try to give
Excuses.
excuses, but then it's so obvious. Look at from Kumasi to Enyina, say 9, 10 hours, and then so I think it was fatigue that was on our part.
Coach Abetamwa, how is he feeling now?
Yeah, I think it's the knee, but then I'm not sure it's that bad. They will look at it.
Thank you very much, Coach. We wish you all the best in your next games.
Thank you.
Okay. So the head coach of Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, Coach Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum, is the man we just spoke with now. The game is all over here, and it's Asante Kotoko's first defeat at home of the season against Hearts of Lions. Coach Obin Jr. did the magic, and it was another error from the defense that was being pounced on. Let's hope the next time the Porcupine Warriors